Good morning, students. So today we do our next example number 7 of your chapter 5th arithmetic progression. So let us see the example. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So we know that the two-digit number are starting from where? 10. The smallest two-digit number is 10 and the largest two-digit number is 99. So these are the two-digit number. But we have to find only that number which are divisible by 3 only. ठीक है? मतलब हमने सिर्फ वही नंबर फाइंड करने हैं जो सिर्फ 3 से divisible होंगे. So starting from 10, check here that 10 is divisible by 3. No, 10 is not divisible by 3. So take the next number. Next number is 11. 11 is again not divisible by 3. Next is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Yes. 3 4s are 12. So the first number is here 12. After 12, which is the next number? Next is 15. Next one is 18. So in this way, we will write the series. Alright. So now see the last number. The last number is 99. Is that 99 is divisible by 3? Yes. 99 is also divisible by 3. Now this is the list of numbers. So now see here in this list of numbers, this is in AP series. मतलब जो एक हमारे पास numbers आएंगे ये सभी क्या है AP series को satisfy करते हैं. Why? Because the common difference is same. See here 15 minus 12 is 3, 18 minus 15 is 3 and so on. So it means the given list of numbers are in AP series. Clear students? So we will find what? We will find the number of terms. We will find the number of terms. मतलब हम find करेंगे यहाँ पे कितनी number of terms होंगी जो 3 से divisible होगी. ठीक है? So take in the series first term as 12. Common difference is what? 3. And this is what? This is the last term. Last term is taken as an. ठीक है, जो लास्ट टर्म होती है उसको हम n भी लिख सकते हैं और an भी लिख सकते हैं. You can write here an. It means now you will find the number of terms. You will find here n. Now what is the general formula of an? An is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now the value of an is here 99. What is a? A is the first term. It is 12 plus n minus 1 into d. What is d? D is 3. So take this 12 on left side. So left side times 12 is 87. Now answer is 3 1s are 3. 3 29s are 87. And now n minus 1 is equal to 29. So what is n? N is 29 plus 1. It is 30. It means there are total 30 numbers having two digits which are divisible by 3. मतलब टोटल हमारे पास 32 डिजिट नंबर होंगे जो 3 से क्या होंगे डिविजिबल होंगे. नाउ दिस इज नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल नंबर 8. फाइंड द 11th टर्म फ्रॉम द लास्ट टर्म ऑफ द AP. फाइंड द 11th टर्म फ्रॉम द लास्ट टर्म ऑफ द AP. 10 7 4 and the last term is minus 62. So इन्होंने क्वेश्चन में कहा है कि आपने 11th टर्म करनी है फाइंड लास्ट टर्म से. 11th टर्म फ्रॉम द लास्ट टर्म. So first we will find the total number of terms. सबसे पहले आप क्या फाइंड करोगे कि यहाँ पर total number of terms कितनी है. For example, if I say there are total 10 terms. How many terms? 10 terms. अब बताओ कि यहाँ पर जो we will find the third term from the last term. अब आपने third term find करनी है last term से. तो वो term कौन सी होगी? So see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If there are total 10 terms, then we will find here third term from the last term. So which is one? It is this is first one, this is second one, this is third one. It means the third term from the last term is 8th term. We will find that how many terms are there in this AP series. So in this AP series, what is A? A is the first term. It is 10. D is common difference. So difference is 7 minus 10 is minus 3. And which is the last term? Last term is -62। ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो लास्ट टर्म की वैल्यू दैट इज -62। ऑलराइट, सो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड हियर n, total number of terms. So the formula for n is a plus n minus 1 into t. Now what is an? An is -62. A is 10. N minus 1 into t. Common difference is -3. So it is how much? -72 by -3 and -1. This minus cancel. Or what is when? N is 25. It means there are total 25 terms in this AP series. So now you will find the 11th term from the last term, and last term is your 25th term. So the 11th term from the 25th term is which one? See here. So the 11th term is, this is the first term, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th. So this is the 11th term from the last term. It means this is the which term? 15th term. 15th मतलब जो 15th term है इस AP सीरीज की, वो लास्ट से 11th term है, लास्ट टर्म से 11th term है। ठीक है, सो यू विल फाइंड हियर व्हाट? A15। यहाँ पर आप क्या फाइंड करोगे? A15 फाइंड करोगे। So what is A15? A15 is A plus 14B. What is A? A is here 10, 14D, and the value of D is -3. So plus minus minus, and 14 3s are 42. So 10 minus 42 is -30. So this is your answer. ठीक है, मतलब जो 11th term है from the last term, it is 15th term, and the value of that 15th term is -32. Dear students, this is example number 7 and example number 8. So next example number 9. A sum of ₹1000 is invested at 8% simple interest per year. A sum of ₹1000 and the rate of interest is what? 8%. So calculate the interest at the end of each year. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. So do this interest form an AP? If so, find the interest at the end of 30 years making use of this fact. So first see here, the principal amount is what? 1000. Rate of interest is 8% simple interest per year. So per year means per annum. So we will find the interest at the end of each year. मतलब हमने simple interest find करना है साल के हर एक end पे. So find the interest at end of first year. So the formula is P into R into T over 100. P into R into T over 100. So what is the principal amount here? ₹1000. Rate of interest is 8 and the time period is 1 year. So right here 1. This goes to cancel. 8 tens are 80 rupees. So 80 rupees is the simple interest at the end of first year. Now find the simple interest at the end of second year. So again write this 1000 into 8 into T. So now T is what? T is 2. So again 2 zeros cancel here. 8 2s are 16 and 16 tens are 160. So the interest is ₹160 at the end of second year. Similarly, we find the interest for third year. So again, 1000 into 8 into 3 divided by 100. 2 0 cancel. 3 8s are 24 and 24 into 10 is 240. So 240 rupees is the interest at the end of third year. Now the interest in the first year is ₹80. Interest at the end of second year is ₹160. At the end of third year is ₹240. And so on. Now check that this given list of number do form AP. मतलब जो लिस्ट है नंबर की ये AP मिलके बना रहे हैं कि नहीं बना रहे हैं. So you have to check their common difference. So see here 160 minus 80 is 80, 240 minus 160 is again 80. It means common difference should be same. So that's why this series is the AP series. So now we will find the interest at the end of 30 years. So at the end of 30 years means you will find their 30th term. You will find their 30th term. It means you will find A30. So A30 is written as A plus 2090. What is A? A is here first term. The first term is 80. 29D. Now what is the common difference? Difference is again 80. So solving this 80. Take here 80 common. So what should left here? 1 plus 29. Now 29 plus 1 is 30 and 30 into 80 is 2400. So it means at the end of 30th year the interest is rupees 2400. Clear students? So this is example number 9. So next is example number 10. In a flower bed there are 23 rose plants in the first row, 21 in the second, 19 in the third and so on. So there are flower beds in which in the first row. So who's that this flower bed? In this first row there are how many flowers? 23 rose plants. So there are 23 roses in this first row. In the second row there are again 21 plants. In the third one there are 19 plants and so on. So there are 5 rose plant in the last row. मतलब जो last row है उसमें 5 plants हैं. How many plants? 5 plants. Clear students? In the first row there are 23 plants. Second one there are 21. In the third row there are 19 plants and in the last row there are only 5 plants. So first write these numbers in the given series 23, 21, 19 and in the last row there are only 5 plants. So how many rows are there in the flower bed? How many rows? It means you will find here n. मतलब इन्होंने पूछा है कि वहाँ पर कितनी रोज होंगी उस फ्लावर बेड में. रोज मतलब कितने कॉलम्स होंगे, कितने, ठीक है, क्यारियां होंगी. ऑलराइट, सो यू विल फाइंड हियर व्हाट n. So this 23 is our first term. It is A. Difference is what? 21 minus 23. It is minus 2. So the common difference is minus 2. And the last term is taken as AN. Last term is AN. Now you will find the number of rows, or you can say number of terms. Alright. So first put the formula for AN. It is A plus n minus 1 into t. Now the value for AN is 5. What is A? A is 23 plus n minus 1 into d. D is how much? Minus 2. So first thing is 23 on left side. Now 5 minus 23 is minus 18. Now this negative sign cancel from both sides, and this 2 1s are 2 and 2 9s are how much? 18. So what should get? 9 is equal to n minus 1. Or what is n? N is equal to 9 plus 1, which is equal to 10. So it means there are total, there are 10 rows in the flower bed. मतलब टोटल कितने रोज होंगे? 10 रोज होंगे. ठीक है. So this is the example of